Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to show you how to upload your own images to Canva. So first, let's open a blank canvas or any design that you're working on. Now, to upload an image, go over to the left side panel and click on Uploads. Here, you'll see options to upload files. Click Upload Files, then choose the image you want from your computer or device. Once it's uploaded, it will appear in your Uploads library. From here, just click on the images and it will automatically be added to your design. You can resize it, move it around, or place it in frames and shapes. You can also drag and drop files directly from your computer into Canva, and it will upload and save them under the Uploads section for future use. And that's it. That's how you upload your own images to Canva. This feature is especially useful when you want to use personal photos, logos, or brand graphics to make your designs more customized and unique.